In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Google Docs. If you've ever opened a document and felt like the text was just a little too small to read comfortably, adjusting the zoom is a quick and easy way to make your workspace easier on the eyes. This doesn't change the actual font size in the document itself. It simply changes how large the document appears on your screen, which is especially useful when you're reading, editing, or presenting content. To get started, go to your Google Doc, open the document you want to work on, and make sure you're viewing it in the main editing window. Once the document is open, look toward the toolbar near the top of the page. This is where you'll find most of the controls you need for formatting and viewing your document. Next, find the zoom drop-down that shows a percentage. In many cases, this may be set to something like 100% by default. Click on that percentage to open the zoom menu. This menu gives you several preset viewing options, so you can quickly choose the size that feels most comfortable for you. Now select how far zoomed in you want the document to be. You can choose from options like 50%, 75%, 90%, 100%, 125%, 150%, or 200%, depending on what appears in your menu. Smaller percentages let you see more of the page at once, while larger percentages make the text and document elements appear bigger and easier to read. If you're only making a quick edit and want a normal view, 100% is usually a good standard setting. If you're reading closely or working on a smaller screen, 125% or 150% can make things much more comfortable. And if you really need a close-up view, 200% is a great option for focusing on details. As soon as you click your preferred zoom level, Google Docs will update the view automatically. There's no save button needed for this step, so you can test different zoom levels until you find the one that works best for you. That's all it takes to zoom in on Google Docs. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how easy and comfortable your document is to use.